As an airline, you have one priority: total customer satisfaction. And that means keeping your aircraft flying in complete safety and avoiding operational issues while optimizing your costs of maintenance and ownership. We understand what you want, especially as we ourselves, like you, are aircraft operators. As an airline MRO, our role at Air France Industries KLM Engineering and Maintenance is to guarantee the smooth operation of the aircraft you entrust to us. To achieve this, we are constantly developing new processes that improve airworthiness for airframes, engines, and components. This is the case, for example, with our Prognos predictive maintenance program used to predict failures using big data. All these solutions are tested and trialed in-house to ensure you get the best for you. When you're an operator, you also need flexibility and fast-track responses. We are so attuned to this that our entire organization is based on adaptiveness, our superior ability to adjust to your specific requirements. We tailor solutions to your needs, modify them on request thanks to our partnership mindset, and we help you to respond quickly to any opportunities that may arise for you. To guarantee that rapid response, we ensure we are located close to your own operations. Wherever you are, our global network means that you have tailored, fast turnaround, and cost-effective services on your doorstep. You also benefit from the muscle of a global group that is constantly investing in state-of-the-art facilities and technologies, and is always up to speed on the latest generations of airframes, engines, and components. That's because for you and us, innovation is key. In the era of big data and increasing fleet size, maintenance tomorrow will mean automation, expertise with new materials, and developing ever more digital processes. The MRO Lab, as a ferment of R&D, takes up that challenge daily by running an ecosystem dedicated to innovation in the MRO business. It aims to boost not only your operational and economic performance, but also your energy and environmental performance, the two key challenges going forward. "100% airline MRO, 100% adaptiveness, 100% global network, 100% innovation. Trust AFI KLM E&M to provide the best for you."